Hello, welcome to video 1 on exercise 9i, direction and bearings. So we are now applying our knowledge of trigonometry and right-angled triangles to the compass. So here is our compass, north at the top, south at the bottom, east on the right, west on the left, and in between these four compass bearings you have northeast, southeast, southwest, and northwest as indicated there. Now, how do we split this up into degrees? Well, when we are looking at true bearings, which we will talk about a little bit more in a minute, true bearings, we always start at north and we count that as 0 degrees. And then we always measure clockwise. So in the direction that the arrow is pointing, we say, all right, how far around have we gone clockwise? So once we get to east, that's 90 degrees true. Keep going for another 90 degrees, you end up at 180 degrees true. Keep going, you end up at 270 degrees true. And when you're back at north, it's 360 degrees true, but we would just call it 0 degrees true. All right, true bearings are always measured from north, as we said, and they're also called 3-figure bearings because we always write them using 3 digits and our degrees true to indicate that we're using a true bearing. So we're going to look at these 3 examples here. So in this, we are told that this one is clockwise 8 degrees around. So this we would say, remembering that we have to use our 3 digits, it's 008 degrees true. And we would say that as 8 degrees true, like that. The next one, you can see it's been measured from north as well, and going around 120 degrees clockwise. So that is 120 degrees true. And we'd write that down here in words, 120 degrees true. Now this last one here has gone from north all the way around here. It looks like it's almost 360 degrees around, right? But it doesn't tell us how far that is. It just tells us how far it is anti-clockwise. So we've got to figure out, all right, what's this red angle if that purple angle is 60? Can you think of what it is? It's going to be 300. The whole thing is 360, but we haven't gone that last 60 degrees. So this is 300 degrees true. Alrighty. The other way that they could have shown this problem is instead of giving us that 60-degree angle, they might have given us this little 30 degrees in here, and we'd have to figure out what it is. So you have to know that this is 90, and then another 90 to make 180, and then another 90 to make 270, and then another 30, which takes you to your 300. Okay, so those are the 2 ways that you might see these if they don't give it to you straight up. Put that 60 degrees back in there. There we go. And you'll note over here that even though it would be easier to read anti-clockwise sometimes, true bearings are always read clockwise from north. So we don't say anything about the 60. We always go for the clockwise version. All right, we're going to do one example on this, and you're going to have a go there. Then you can do some textbook problems. So what is the true bearing of point B from point A? Now, it's really important when you do these that you know which one you're starting at. So we're going from point A. So we are looking at this diagram here. This is where we're starting, and this is what we're using to measure our angle. So at A, you draw your compass, and you'll see that we're told, well, that bit in there is 90, and this bit in here is 30. So in total, this is 120 degrees true. All right. You're going to pause the video and try this second one. What is the bearing of point A from point B? Give that a go. That means you're starting at the compass down here and trying to figure out this blue angle. All right, pause now and give it a go. Okay, so hopefully you've given that a go. You'll notice here, the way we don't have any angles written in here yet, right? You can see we've got a right angle, another right angle, another right angle, but we're not sure about this little bit of angle in here, and we also don't know that one. So we need to get some more information from this. And what we actually have is we have nice alternate angles like we had in our angles of elevation. I'm going to do a big highlight here, and you'll notice this nice Z shape. Okay, that's our alternate angles. So if this angle here is 30, then so is that angle there. All right, so if we know that that's 30, we can go 90, 180, 270, plus another 30 is going to be 300 degrees true. Beautiful. Now, from here, you should be able to go to the textbook, and you've been set questions 2, 3, 4, and before you do question 5, you've got another video to watch. So you can now do question 2 to 4.